Today, we are here at Mother's Wax Museum, located in the Action Area 2 of Newtown, Kolkata, India, on the 5th and 6th floor of West Bengal Housing Infrastructure Development Corporation building. It was established in the year 2014 in the month of November. It contains wax statues of more than 50 personalities of several Hollywood and Bollywood actors, political personalities, and sports personalities around the globe. The museum has been named after Mother Teresa. The museum area is divided into several sections like sports, political, spirituality, social, literature, science, music, Bollywood, Tollywood, and Hollywood. In sports section, you will find the wax statues of the football personality Lionel Messi, Diego Maradona, the wax statue of the former Indian cricket captain Sourav Ganguly, Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar, and Virat Kohli. In political section, you will find the wax statues of the father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, former President Pranab Mukherjee, and the maker of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. In the spirituality section, you will find the statues of Ramakrishna, Sarada Devi, Swami Vivekananda, and Sri Aurobindo. In the social section, you will find the statues of the great social reformer Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Sister Nivedita, and of course of Mother Teresa. In literature section, you will find the wax statues of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Sarat Chandra Chatterjee, and Kavi Nazrul Islam. As you enter the science section, you will find the wax statues of the renowned scientists like Jagadish Chandra Bose, Satyendranath Bose, former President of India and the Missile Man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and of course of Albert Einstein. In music section, you will find the wax statues of legendary Manna Dey, Pandit Ravi Shankar, Hemanta Mukherjee, Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar. And in the Bollywood section, you will find the wax statues of Amitabh Bachchan, Mithun Chakrabarti, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan as Inspector Chulbul Pandey. In Tollywood section means the Kolkata's local cinema section, you will find the wax statues of the great actor Uttam Kumar, actor Suchitra Sen, and the Oscar winner filmmaker Satyajit Ray. In Hollywood section, you will find the statues of Tom Cruise, Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie, Bruce Willis, Nicole Kidman, Daniel Craig, Bruce Lee. We'll try to show the close-up shots of these statues so that you can understand the finesse of these statues. Look at the details, look at the skin tone, look at the pores of the skin, how detailed these statues are. Without further talk, let's enjoy